Why I am supporting the Sustainable 5F Lifestyle Signature campaign? Well, here is the answer. The Sustainable 5F Lifestyle Signature campaign is inspired by the 5F vision. The 5F formula encompasses farm to fiber, fiber to factory, factory to fashion, and fashion to foreign. The strong desire for futuristic fashion and lifestyle journey that originates from Indian farms and takes Indian fibers, factories, and fashion to foreign lands. Sustainable 5F Lifestyle Signature campaign envisions a fun-filled lifestyle surrounded by 5Fs of faith, family, friends, festival, and eco-friendly future through a sustainable fashion statement. The most important factors governing my support for a sustainable 5F lifestyle are: Number 1. I realize that the sustainable 5F lifestyle saves me money in the long run. Second one, I understand that quality clothing is far better than a heap of cheap clothing. Third, this is the most effective way of reducing carbon footprints in my capacity through sustainable means. Fourth, my support and implementation of sustainable 5F lifestyle and fashion saves animal lives. 5. I understand that the usage of quality fashion not only reduces water pollution but also helps preserve water resources. 6. Undoubtedly, my support for sustainable 5F lifestyle and fashion will help to create healthier, wealthier, and better working conditions for millions of artisans and farmers who are closely associated with the textile and fashion industry, the second largest employment generating sector of our country. 7. And the most important is that the sustainable 5F lifestyle and fashion are better for my health and for the health of my planet as well. To ensure that we can continue to enjoy the advantages of eco-friendly fashion and clean and green environment for many years to come, all of us need to take good care of the clothing we already own. This means being more mindful of our purchases and investing in quality over quantity. By doing our part for both people and the planet, we can make a significant difference together. Let us commit to buying, promoting, and supporting fabrics made from farm-based fibers. We should also encourage green research and innovation in every aspect of fashion and garment industry. Starting from farming to ginning, pressing, spinning, weaving, dyeing, printing, packaging, branding, and marketing Bharatiya Vastra Sanskriti on a global platform. You can extend your support by sharing your blogs, pictures, reels, and branding ideas with us to promote a sustainable 5F lifestyle with us. Let us pledge to buy sustainable fabrics and practice sustainable fashion. The youngsters will be the biggest consumers and manufacturers of fabrics and garments for ages to come. They will be the determiners of the direction of the textile industry and dictate its impact on environmental imbalance. Every time you purchase and promote Indian textiles based on 5F vision, you add one more thread to strengthening the fabric of Mother Earth. It all starts with changing our mindsets and behaviors.